with the bomb.
But I just arrived. He said, no, no, get on the car and talk about jump off.
Mein Führer,
Steiner konnte nicht genügend Kräfte für einen Angriff massieren. Der Angriff Steiner ist nicht erfolgt.
Es bleiben im Raum Keitel, Jodl, Krebs und Burgdorf. Das war ein Befehl! Der Angriff Steiners war ein Befehl! Wer schickt Sie, dass Sie es wagen, sich meinen Befehl zu widersetzen? So weit ist es also gekommen. Das Militär hat mich belogen! Jeder hat mich belogen, sogar die SS! Die gesamte Generalität ist nichts weiter als ein Haufen niederträchtiger, treuloser Feiglinge!
Mein Führer, ich kann nicht zulassen, dass die Soldaten, die für Sie verbloßen...
Nicht als Feiglinge! Verreiter, Versager!
Mein Führer, was Sie da sagen, ist ungeheuerlich!
Die Generalität ist das Geschmeiß des deutschen Volkes!
I got this feeling on the summer day when you were gone. I crashed my car into the bridge, I watched, I let it burn. I threw your shit into a bag and pushed it down the stairs. I crashed my car into the bridge, I don't care, I love it. Pra fazer enfermidade desaparecer, pra fazer o inimigo fugir de você. Uma nuvem de vitória está sobre a igreja. A previsão de Deus diz que vai chover. Vai chover línguas estranhas por todos os lados. E desse
Give me a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she is waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, you know, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight. We are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can burn brighter than the sun tonight. We are young, so let's set the world on fire.
você tiver que levar um fora de alguém que seja de Lucas, que é com classe, né? Porque é cada fora que beijo Deus. Não fala isso que vai pra lá da saudade. Que barra. Raíssa. Vai aparecer no telão, viu? No telão. Vai aparecer no telão. Já faz farinha. Já gostando demais. Vou tirar ele com ela. Tira isso. O melhor é a cara de Luana de assustada.
Want someone to show you around. Well, no one knows this place just quite like me. Well, I don't hang with the crowd. Well, I go, we're dressing down. I take you where the music plays for free. So don't rely on people you meet, 'cause no one is safe in these streets. I wanna take you out tonight. I'm gonna make you feel alright. I don't have a lot of money, but we'll be fine. No, I don't have a penny, but I'll show you a good time. I'm gonna take you out tonight. I'm gonna make you feel alright. I don't have a lot of money, but we'll be fine. No, I don't have a penny, but I'll show you a real good time. So what do you think's so fun?